Hey there, Restorians. So today we want to discuss how you can engage peers and family members in the Restore experience. So if you have a player or a resident who is really enjoying Restore, they love the games, they love the competitive nature, and they're enjoying their skill building and achieving their goals, why not include family members or peers across the facility in that experience? So today we're going to quickly review how you can do that. The first option here is group play. Now, as many of you know, group play was designed to help accommodate players of various physical and cognitive abilities so we can play together, whether that be cooperatively or competitively on the same screen for two players, or taking turns in saving their score to a leaderboard to create more of a competitive nature. I like to lovingly refer to that as arcade mode. Next, we can also engage in private game. Now, this is really exciting because we're able to select the game we'd like to engage with and invite a family member or maybe perhaps another resident in the building who might be isolated to their room to join us for a private engagement, a private game. And that option, we're able to use audio and video communication to really add to the element of engagement, make it fun, make it motivating. And if your family is anything like mine, maybe they're trash talking a little bit while they're on that private game. And finally, we have, of course, our options here to join a live multiplayer game. So this is a really great way for your players to engage with residents all across the Restore network. We are in over 35 states here in the US, and so we're able to get those folks playing together, seeing each other score and keeping that nature of competition alive, but there is no audio or video communication for HIPAA reasons. All right, folks, that was just a nice brief overview of how you can engage family members, peers within your building to add to that skill building and offer something that's more engaging and unique than maybe a typical phone call or FaceTime call. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.